All right, hey guys, so going on with horizontal asymptotes, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to use the previous examples that we've kind of talked about in order to identify them. So I'm going to use, let's go, okay, that's not letting me work. Let's go, a little bit dark orange for our color. So what I'm going to do is for each one, I'm going to identify what the horizontal asymptotes are. Okay. And so for number one, again, what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking at m, which in this case is 3, and n, which is equal to 2. Okay, so again, we always start with the beginning. So in this case, the numerator has a higher degree than the denominator, so there is no horizontal asymptote. So for HAs, we have none in this case. In number 2, we can see that we have m is equal to 1. The degree of the top is 1. The degree of the bottom is 4. So since we have, now m is greater than n. In this case, since we have m is less than n, right, we actually have a horizontal asymptote, right, at y equals 0 or the x-axis. For number 3, again, we can kind of see here, and hopefully you kind of start to recognize when we do and we don't have them. So let's go ahead and number 3, we can see that m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, so we have m is greater than n, so we have no horizontal asymptotes. For number 4, we have m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, m is less than n, so we do have a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 0. Okay. For number 5 and number 6, we actually, we actually have some new horizontal asymptotes here. Okay, so number 5 and number 6. Okay, so we look at m is equal to 2. Our degree of our top is 2. Our degree of our bottom is also 2. So we have m is equal to n, which means we have a horizontal asymptote, right, at y is equal to a over essentially b, the leading coefficients. So now that's 1 and 1. So our leading coefficients are 1 and 1. So we have y is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1. So we have a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 1. Okay. Number 6 is going to be the same thing. We have m is equal to 2, n is also equal to 2. So we have m is equal to n, and we have a horizontal asymptote at I'll keep doing that. Asymptote at y is equal to a over b, and a in this case is 1, b is also 1, so it's going to be y is equal to 1. Okay. And that's just kind of how we can, that's the wrong one. And so that's kind of how we can use horizontal asymptotes. I'm not going to go ahead and share this with you because I want you guys to kind of try and do these on your own. And you'll kind of see that it's pretty lackluster kind of cases. Okay. Anyway, that's just kind of some example problems that you can do, and you can see how easy it is to determine horizontal asymptotes. Notice that I didn't really do any crazy algebra. I just looked at the degrees, and the degrees told me everything. Okay. Anyway. Good luck with the assignment today. I just wanted to give you guys some more examples.